I'm going to use a 19mm socket. At this point, I'm going to remove this nut. I want to leave the bolt in there. On the back side, I'm going to use an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket on the front. Just remove that nut, leave that bolt in there. I just want to support the lower control arm, so I'm lowering the vehicle onto a jack stand. In the trunk, I'm going to remove this carpet and this cover as well. And I'm going to take a trim tool, and there's push pins. If you find any other push pins, take those out as well. I'll pull this side carpet out. There's a nut right here and a nut on the other side. Use a 15mm socket. Oops. Now I'm going to raise the vehicle up just a little bit to take the tension off the rear shock. Now I'm going to support the shock while I hammer this bolt out. I can slide this shock down, and I can slide this right up. On the new shock and spring assembly, take these nuts off, and you never take this center nut off. Leave that on. There's a pointed side to this mount, or a rounded side. The rounded side goes towards the center of the car. Just slide the shock down here. And you can push down on the control arm if you have to. And slide this in position. Take the lower shock bolt, line that up. Now install these nuts. This one right here, and then the other one on the inside. We'll torque those to 41 foot-pounds. Put this side carpet in. Just tuck it underneath this other carpet. And put the push pin back in. And this lower carpet panel can go back in. And if you have a top mat, you can put that back in. Put the nut on here. And tighten this down. Then with a wrench on the back side holding the bolt, I'm going to torque this to 73 foot-pounds. Put the wheel back on, and the lug nuts. I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern so it tightens the wheel down evenly. Just go around again just to double check.